Hey y'all, welcome back to Horse and Hedge, my channel. Today we're in the greenhouse again, but today we're going to be making some door wreaths made out of these grapevine wreaths. And then we're going to add these silk button bush. So I hope you can follow along with me and we'll make these real quick. We're going to be using wires, the thin wire. And I just picked these up from Michael's. And we're going to be using our trusted glue gun. It works. And we're going to be gluing and wiring these on. Then we're going to be using a bow. So I have two doors at home, so we're going to be making two of these just alike. So let's get started. This will be the top right here. So, and this is what our bow looks like. And we're using these bows getting ready for springtime, and they will last through Easter. And they should last, they could last all the way through summer. But it's just, I don't know if you can tell by the camera, it's pink and green polka dots, a solid pink, and a check pink and green. So we're going to tie this at the top, right here. I'll show you just in the back. We'll tie it in the back. Get that good and tight. Because we're having a lot of wind right now. I don't know if y'all are where you live. We live here in Zone A in Mississippi. So we've got the bow on. And we're going to start with one right here. And push it up all the way to the top like that. So it's hanging down. So we're going to lay it down. Get our bows laying in the center. Now I'm going to cut this off a little bit. The stem is a little bit too long, so we're going to try to cut that off. And I have a plant poking me in the head, so y'all excuse me. And we cut that off just a little bit, and we're going to stick it in the grapevine wreath, just like this. Put a little glue on it. And press it into the grapevine wreath just like that. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. And I just picked these up from Hobby Lobby. They look most like the real plant, so that's why I picked these. We're going to put this on the other side, right here. So let's cut it off a little bit. And we're going to glue it the same way. Put it right here. And I'll stand it up so you can see. We're going to slide it in right here. Let the glue dry. Get our ribbon out of the way to cover it up. Okay, that's what it looks like right now. Then we're going to add another piece at the bottom. So this is going to make it really long. We're going to add it right here. So we need to cut it off, scoot our bow, our ribbon over. And you could put it way up here if you wanted to do it like that. Or we could put it down at the bottom to make it long and drapey. So we'll hang it up like that. I think I'm going to do this one at the bottom. So we're going to do like we did the other two greeneries, and we're going to cut it off. And put it here at the bottom. spread some of this greenery around so it doesn't show. Let that glue dry a little bit. Fluff our bow. And there you have it, a simple wreath for your door made out of greenery. And we'll do